Imagine a battlefield where no human soldier pulls a trigger, yet the war rages on. Picture a world where artificial intelligence makes split-second decisions of life and death faster than any human ever could. At the forefront of this revolution are AI-powered drones and targeting systems. These aren't your average remote-controlled aircraft, they're autonomous killing machines. In the realm of cyber warfare, artificial intelligence is both sword and shield. AI systems can detect and respond to network intrusions faster than any human could hope to. Using machine learning algorithms, military planners can now simulate countless variations of battles before a single shot is fired. These AI models can factor in everything from weather conditions to enemy psychology, predicting how a conflict might unfold with uncanny accuracy. It's like having a crystal ball that shows you every possible future of the battlefield. But it also raises the specter of conflicts that escalate at inhuman speeds, with AI systems reacting to each other faster than any human could intervene. As we stand on the brink of this new era, one thing is clear: the future of warfare is here, and it's powered by artificial intelligence. They can analyze patterns of attack, trace them back to their source, and launch devastating counterstrikes in milliseconds. The idea of autonomous weapons systems making life-or-death decisions without human intervention is deeply unsettling to many. What happens when an AI makes a mistake and innocent lives are lost? Who's held accountable? There's also the fear of an AI arms race, with nations competing to develop ever more sophisticated killing machines. In a world where a single computer virus can cripple a nation's infrastructure, AI is becoming the ultimate cyber warrior. The line between human and machine decision-making on the battlefield is becoming increasingly blurred. We're entering an era where wars could potentially be fought entirely by artificial intelligences, with humans relegated to the role of spectators. Picture a drone silently patrolling enemy territory, its AI brain constantly scanning the landscape below. It spots a convoy, analyzes the vehicles, and, in milliseconds, determines they're hostile. Without waiting for a human operator's approval, it swoops in for the kill. This isn't fiction, it's happening right now. This isn't the plot of a sci-fi movie, it's the reality of modern warfare. Across the globe, militaries are embracing AI as the cornerstone of their strategies. But the AI revolution in warfare isn't limited to the skies. On the ground, autonomous surveillance and reconnaissance systems are changing the game. Imagine a network of AI-powered cameras and sensors blanketing a battlefield. It's revolutionizing military decision-making at the highest levels. Advanced AI systems are now being integrated into command centers around the world. These AEs can process vast amounts of data from multiple sources: satellite imagery, intercepted communications, troop movements, and provide commanders with strategic insights in real time. Imagine a general having an AI advisor that can instantly analyze thousands of potential battle scenarios and recommend the optimal course of action. They're not just passive observers, they're actively processing every piece of data in real time. These systems can detect the faintest signs of enemy movement, spot camouflaged vehicles, and even predict where the next attack might come from. In the blink of an eye, they can alert human commanders to potential threats, giving friendly forces a crucial edge. As if physical battlefields weren't enough, AI is also dominating the digital front lines. But AI's role in modern warfare goes beyond just fighting on the front lines. This leads us to one of the most groundbreaking applications of AI in warfare: predictive analytics for battlefield strategy. However, as we rush headlong into this brave new world of AI-powered warfare, we can't ignore the ethical dilemmas it raises. As AI continues to reshape the landscape of modern warfare, we're forced to grapple with questions that were once the realm of science fiction. The implications of this shift are staggering. AI has the potential to make warfare more precise, potentially reducing civilian casualties.